Did you know that companies promoting creativity are 3.5 times more likely to outperform their peers in revenue growth? That's a surprising statistic, isn't it? Creativity is not just about painting a masterpiece or writing a novel. It's a crucial part of business success. Imagine creativity as a spark. It's that initial flash of brilliance that begins the process of invention. Without that spark, the Prodigy system would be like a car without fuel, unable to move forward. Creativity ignites the engine of the Prodigy system, setting in motion the wheels of dynamic development, data-driven management, and user orientation. Scene script. Picture dynamic development and iterative innovation as the wheels of the car. They are the embodiment of fostering creativity. They drive continuous innovation and the development of new products, services, or processes through experimentation and learning. Encouraging teams to take calculated risks, test new ideas, and learn from the results fuels a virtuous cycle of innovation and improvement. Imagine data-driven management as the car's navigation system. It primarily focuses on making decisions based on data analysis. However, fostering creativity plays a role here too. It uses data to identify innovation opportunities and areas for the creative implementation of solutions. Data analysis can reveal unexpected insights, inspiring creative solutions to complex problems. Now, consider user orientation as the car's destination. Creativity is crucial to understanding and meeting the changing needs and expectations of users. Fostering creativity encourages the development of innovative products and services that enhance the user experience and uniquely respond to their desires and challenges. Fostering creativity is essential to maintaining an organization's relevance and competitiveness in today's market. It promotes a culture that values innovation and adaptability, ensuring the organization not only effectively responds to current challenges, but is also prepared for future opportunities. By integrating creativity into these components, the Prodigy system strengthens, creating an environment where innovation is an integral part of the organization's strategy and operation. So ignite that spark, fuel that engine, set those wheels in motion, navigate towards success, reach your destination, foster creativity in your organization, and watch as it propels you forward, driving growth, innovation, and success. Because in the end, creativity isn't just a spark, it's the fuel that drives us all.